Hi friends, welcome to this video. The question is, in the reaction 2A plus 4B gives 3C plus 4D, when 5 moles of A reacts with 6 moles of B, then which is the limiting reagent? The first question is, which is the limiting reagent? That we have to tell. And what would be the amount of C formed respectively, and we have to tell the amount of formation of C. So question is, we have to get two answers. One is among this A, B, C, D, which is limiting reagent, and the second one we have to get how much amount of C is formed. So options you can see that, see, comma is there, right? It means first one is limiting reagent, second one is how much amount of or moles of C is formed, right? So let me write this one. So the given reaction is 2A plus 4B gives 3C plus 4D. So this is the reaction, and they have mentioned that how many 5 moles of A will react with 6 moles of B. So in below A I have written 5 mole, below B I have written 6 mole because they have given it, right? First limiting reagent we have to find it, right? So I have one formula for limiting reagent. Limiting reagent is nothing but mole of any compound. Here if I take, limiting reagent is nothing but mole of any compound, that is A, divided by its stoichiometric coefficient. Similarly, limiting reagent of any substance, if I want to calculate for B, it is mole of B divided by its stoichiometric coefficient. One which is small, if limiting this calculation, if it is small, then that is the limiting reagent. If calculation is big, then that is excess means in that reaction it will be excess. So here they have given question, here they have given 5 moles of A and 6 moles of B. So limiting reagent, if I want to calculate, the mole is 5 mole divided by stoichiometry of A. Stoichiometry means the behind this A, what is there? 2. 5 divided by 2, and here this is 6, and behind that 4. 6 mole divided by stoichiometry is 4. B behind 4 is there, right? That is stoichiometric coefficient. If I calculate 5 divided by 2 is something like 2.5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Whereas 6 divided by 4 means 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 divided by 2 is something like 1.5. I have told, if this calculation which is less, that is limiting reagent. This is excessive. In that reaction it will be in excess. So what is the limiting reagent? B is the limiting reagent. So if I go through the option, say here it is C, so this is not the option. A is not the option. B is there, here also B is there, and here C is there, so this is not the option. So A and D are not our options. So we got to know that in the reaction 2A plus 4B gives 3C plus 4D. So here B is the limiting reagent. Limiting reagent is, what is limiting reagent? Limiting reagent is a substance which consumes first in the reaction, and the formation of product depends upon this limiting reagent. So here limiting reagent is B, so the formation of product C depends upon what? B, because it is limiting reagent. If it consumed in the reaction, further no reaction happens because B is consumed. As it is limiting, it will consume first. So because of based on the B, the formation of C happens. So I will forget about A because this is excess. So B forms what? C. So if you see stoichiometry, it is 4 and here 3. It means if I take 4 mole of B, it will give how much mole of C? It gives 3 mole of C. But here in question they have given 6 mole of B. They have taken 6 mole of B. How much mole of C is formed? I am going to write it as X. So now just divide it here at center, put equal mark, right? So you can easily calculate. So X is what? X is nothing but 3 into 6 divided by 4. Here also mole, here also mole, here also mole. Mole will get cancel, I'll get answer in mole. So 2 2s are 2, how much? 3s are 339 divided by 2, it is nothing but 4.5 mole of C. That is X is formed. X is nothing but C. I hope you got it. So here how I did. So limiting reagent I calculated. B is the limiting reagent. Based on B, the formation of C depends because B is limiting reagent. So 4 mole, stoichiometry is 4, here 3. 4 mole of B gives 3 mole of C. If I take 6 mole, why I took only 6 mole? Because in question they have given 6 mole of B. So 6 mole of B will give how much? Y, X, anything, yes, X mole of C. So X how much I got? 4.5. If I go through the answer, so limiting reagent was B and calculation is 4.5. So answer is what? B is the correct option. Not the A, not the C, not the D. B is the correct option. I hope this video has helped you, right? If so, please share with your friends. It will be helpful for them also. And if you like this video, give me a like button. If any doubts are there, if any suggestions are there, you can comment it in the comment box. Thank you.